when you're working in the shop, you're listening to music and one of your favorite jams comes on. So those of you that watched my last video will know that this was a bowl that I basically cracked in half because it had a large check in it, and then I glued it along the rim. I think this made a pretty cute box. The finishing isn't all that great, especially on the inside, but I learned some things and I know what to do next time to improve it. I think it turned out cute. So there's just one coat of finish on this right now. Of course I'll come back and put more on. So if you've made it this far, thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more fun projects in Cammy's garage.